Jai Hind students, myself Brahmadeep Singh, and today we are going to do our science experiment. As you may see on the board, the name of the experiment is to study the properties of the acid and the base by the reaction with the litmus. So in this experiment we are going to know what happened to the acid or the base when the litmus solutions are added. So for that, let's start. We have two solutions. As you see, this one is a red litmus solution and this one is a blue litmus solution. So now for that, I have two test tubes here on the left hand side that contains the acid, and the test tubes on the right hand side that contains the base. Experiment. So first of all, I take the test tube that contain acid, and let's see what happens when I pour the blue litmus in acid. As you see, as I pour the blue litmus in the acids, its color changes into the red. So now you can see its color changes into the red. So blue to the red, and let's see what happened to the test tube when we pour the red litmus. So as you see, when I pour the red litmus in the test tube, there is no change in the color. It remains red because the acid does not change the color of red litmus. So from here it is concluded that the red color is changed because the acid changed the blue litmus to the red, but there is no change in case of the red litmus. So from here I can conclude that the acids change the blue litmus into the red, whereas it does not change the red litmus. Okay, now students, in this side we have the base in both of these test tubes, and now see what happened to the base when we add the red litmus. So it's clearly seen that when we add the red litmus to the base, its color changes to the blue. Now let's see what happened when we add the blue litmus to the base. Now you can see there is no change in the color. The blue litmus remains the blue after adding it to the base. So it's clear from here that the base can change the blue or red litmus to the blue, whereas it does not create any change in the blue. So we can now come to know that the acids are those substances that can change the blue litmus into the red, and bases are those substances that can change the red litmus to the blue. So there are a lot of the acids and the base that we are using in our homes, such as the lemon that contains the acid, as well as the soap that we are using in our home is known as a base. So in this way we can test which type of a substance contains the acid or the base by using the litmus solution. So I think you all can understand now. So thank you.